Good morning, good afternoon and good evening. We are finally here at Disney at the French Quarter, Port Orleans. Got it, third time's the charm. We are at our room we haven't been in yet.
It looks beautiful around here.
So you can see the river over there. I don't know how well you can see it on the camera. We just saw a horse and carriage go by, which we'll be doing on our last day. But enough chitty chat.
We're in.
3,
Let's see what
2,
there is.
1.
There's a light switch.
And we're in.
Oh, there's a Mickey. Oh, that's nice.
Ooh.
Oh, welcome.
Our hope is that your room feels welcoming and adds to the amazing memories you will create here. Thank you for choosing Disney's Port Orleans French Quarter Resort. Sincerely, your housekeeping team.
Oh.
And you can wear the little beads.
You've got little beads because that's all very Mardi Gras. You've got to have your beads. That's nice and chitty chatty. So
first impressions.
It's bigger than the Caribbean Beach Resort room.
Yes, but not as big as Universal. Look at the two beds. I know I make this joke every time, but here's a bed for me. There's a bed for me, and you can sleep on this chair at the desk. Oh, I like this picture.
Just there, that's a nice picture of the wall.
I don't know how well you can see that. That's very nice.
Let's have a look in
the bathroom.
Oh, look, you've got little lights, you know where your plugs are, did you see that? And that'll help you in the night if you need to, you know, go to the restroom at night. H2O, which is good because they're not doing that after this year.
Hiya!
So we have hanging space, trash and recycling.
This is very similar to our room in Caribbean.
It's the same layout, yeah.
It's the same layout, it's just...
It's a bit fancy, it's a bit nicer. There you go, your favourite room.
The porcelain throne, the air vent, aircon, extractor fan, the shower. We have a bath shower.
Oh, that's better.
It's quite nice.
And look at the shower curtain.
We have Prince Naveen, guessing, as a...
Princess and the Frogs, that'll be both.
So is this one Prince Naveen, do we think? Or is that going to be Princess Tiana as a frog?
Tiana with her crop.
Either or. And there, I'm guessing we have Tiana and Naveen as little froggies with a heart. That's very nice, very nice. So we have a safe, standard procedure. A his and her vanity station.
What is useful in here is somewhere for hanging up your coats. Not that we have coats in Florida, but things like that. Nice big drawers. And, very helpfully, USB plugs on the side as well as regular outlets. And then the last thing, I guess, is the fridge. So it's only meant to be a cooler for beverages. It's not like you're supposed to keep dairy and all things like that in there because it only goes to a certain temperature. But that would be very helpful for your drink. Ooh, what do we have? Green tea. Earl Grey, darling.
And no English breakfast?
No. You get some 50th anniversary blend coffee.
Maybe I'll try some. I've recently started adventuring into the lands of coffee, which I never did before.
Or you can have an artisan roasted decaf, but that's not...
So we'll give them a go. It's a very nice room.
That is lovely. I'm gonna just... You have to do a little kind of...
How's the beds?
Oh yeah.
Throw yourself back.
I can't throw myself back. They're too high up off the floor for me to do that.
Getting old.
I'm gonna run.
Getting old.
No, I'm getting short actually.
But there you go. So we are here. We are in the room, although we are not unpacked.
We haven't even brought the stuff in through the front door.
No,
we could be rubbing our stuff from the porch right now.
So we wanted to get first impressions and share it with all of you lovely people, you lovely folk. So we're going to unpack now, we're going to settle in, and we're going to make some plans for the night because that's not a watch, that's a magic pen. It's about 7 o'clock.
10 past 7.
There you go. So we've got a few hours to kill. We've got a few options to do, but we'll save that and we'll show you what we do when we do it. So on that note, we'll see you soon.
Bye. You said welcome home.
Being a very Disney now, baby.
You said welcome home.
You did. You are home.
I am in there.
Yeah, let's go in there.
Time, you really think that I would have built a tolerance, but still it don't take much, not even just a touch, and I'm floored, just like before, just like it did with the first hit. Have you found this Mary?
So we've just watched the fireworks.
They were beautiful.
They were beautiful, and they're new, and they're not ones we've seen before.
It does seem like quite a bit's changed on it, to be fair.
So tomorrow will be interesting when we get to see them up close and personal.
They did smiley faces and hearts in the fireworks.
They did. So we asked a cast member. She said you can watch it up by the resort, or you can come down to the beach, which is a much nicer spot. And to be honest, it was beautiful.
Yeah, and at both spots they played the soundtrack as well. So not only do you get a beautiful view, but you can still hear what it goes with, and it's a very nice viewing experience.
Yeah, I'd definitely recommend it. Just come down for the. If you're not staying, you can come down. Just get a.
Try and get down here 20-25 minutes early though, and then you'll probably get a seat.
So the next port of call is food. So we're going to go into the Polynesian and find some food and maybe some alcoholic beverages. So dinner has arrived. I have got a burger with fries, and Claire has got a gluten-friendly buffalo wings with a nice little
There's a Mickey Mouse. Let's have a look. Ooh. Got some wings.
Some chicken wings, but no buffalo.
No actual.
No actual buffalo. We asked, but they wouldn't do it with that.
She said it wouldn't fit on the tray.
No, she's probably right to be fair. How are your wings, baby?
Wingy goodness. They're fresh, they're hot, they're very tangy, very nice indeed.
What are you saying, baby? Should we look in the store?
Yeah, I'm gonna get some vino.
Baby, they got to sleep in Sully with a smiley face. I know you like your Sully. Oh, look at this cute little Mickey. He's a park pal, or whatever that is.
It's clips on the side of the buggy.
Baby. Ohana means family.
Is that good?
Ohana means family. Ohana means family. Ohana means family. Ohana means family. Did you know what Ohana means? Family. Baby, look, they're sipping on a coconut. Look at how cute that is.
You know why? Because they're family.
I want it in my life. I think we should get one. Look, 0+. That means I'm old enough. Do I look cool?
Yes.
Ohana means family. If it wasn't so uncomfortable to wear because of this, I would so get these and rock them in the park.
Another hat.
Or some more than wacky, and I don't think it's going to fit my fat head. Ma'am?
So is that your outfit chosen?
I want this for the holiday, and I wear it every day, all day, every day. So we were just looking at the coin machine, and we were admiring them. A lovely gentleman from the shop must have heard me being a pillock in the shop, and he gave me a stitch one. And do you know why? Because Ohana means family. Baby, can we get a drink? Because Ohana means alcohol. No, it means family. I got a back scratcher, and I got another back scratcher, and my back scratcher has got a dragon iced tea. Cheers, baby.
Oh, that's good. That's good.
Back scratcher.
Why are you scratching your neck then? Maybe that's weird at a bar. Stop it.
And with that, it's the end of the night. It's been a long one.
Very tired.
We spent 45 minutes on the monorail because we didn't get off at Magic Kingdom for the bus. We got off. We thought we were going to the transportation centre, and we
Rookie mistake.
Yeah. But we're finally back at the hotel. We're gonna collapse into bed, have a good sleep, and we're gonna check out the hotel in the morning. So, good night, and see you tomorrow.